In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a QR code to a business card here in Canva. Now, first off, you're going to need your business card. Now, the great thing about Canva is that they have lots of different templates. So if you come over to the template section here in Canva, then type in business card, you're going to have a lot that you can choose from. Then you can choose one and customize to how you need. Now, to add a QR code is very simple. Now, we're going to actually put it on the back of this one. But first, we want to come over to the app section. Then, here in the search bar, we want to type in QR code. Click enter, and we're going to want to use this one just here, which is dynamic QR codes. Now, if we click on here, we have lots of different QR codes that we can choose from. Now for this example, because this is kind of round, let's go with a round one. So we could choose this one by clicking on it. Then we want to put in the link of where we want the QR code to go. So for this example, I'm just going to put in Canva, and then we can actually play around with the colors of this QR code by clicking here on this square and selecting the color that we want. We can also put in a hex code color just there as well. We can do that for the pattern. We can do it for the eye color, which is these little squares just here, and we can do it for the background color. Now let's go ahead and actually change the background color to fit this color as well. Now I already have the hex color of this color just here, so what we're going to do is just paste that in there. We can see that has now gone red. We're going to keep everything black and then just click Add to Design. And now we have the QR code. So if we take away this part, which is on the back of the business card, we can just have this QR code. We could then put some writing underneath explaining where it goes, or just the link URL as well. But that's just how easy it is to add a QR code to a business card here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.